to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can create the stunning presentations using the artificial intelligence. So here is the site vpic.com, which is a completely free site, and it helps you to present and generate the stunning presentations. So using the artificial intelligence technology, it creates the impressive slides in just a few clicks. You need not have to manually type, you need not have to manually design the style and all other things. You just can easily generate the PowerPoint slides. I am going to click get started, and I can click on any topics. So here I am giving health. And you can also select the styles, what type of style you want, and I can give generate presentation. So I have given the simple black presentation. Hold on, we are generating a presentation about health. So it automatically generates the slides. It decides each and every each slide. It gives the introduction, it gives the other tips for maintaining the health and so on. So within a minute, it generates the slides. It totally generates 8 slides. You can decide it. So it gave the introduction, it gives the holistic health, nurturing physical wellness, and cultivating mental well-being, and so on. So what we have to do next is, if you want, you can modify the colors, etc. Here we have the options to add. If you want to have some personal touch, you can add the photos, you can insert the text, you can even insert videos, and there are various other templates which are also available. You can select, you can add as a new page, and even if you want the style or design to be changed, you can change. Now I have inserted a new slide. So there are various other options available for your personal touch up, and there are tools also available. You can add it in Drive or Photos or anything, and after completing your touch up, you can go for download. At the right corner you can download, and you can generate it as a PDF or PNG or JPEG, whatever option you want you can give. So if you want the entire file as PDF, you can click on the download. So the file will be downloaded. So even creating presentations using artificial intelligence has become a easier process, so that you need not have to manually type each and every text, or even you need not have to design by your own. You can easily develop a slide using this vpic.com. So this is a free site which provides you the way of generating. So this is the slide which is being generated. So I have not even typed a single word. Everything has been generated automatically by the vpic.com. So it gives all the points. The only thing what I have done is type the title of the presentation what I want. So I have typed as health. So I have got a presentation from starting introduction to conclusion regarding the health. So it provides me the wonderful presentation. If you want a personal touch, you can change the style or a color, or you can change the template. You can insert your own images and so on. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.